10 healthiest foods you should eat in the morning. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. What you eat in the morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. Starting the day with a nutrient-rich breakfast allows you to power through and make better decisions. Skipping it and depriving your body of essential nutrients will leave you feeling lethargic, mess up your blood sugar levels and even create brain fog. A nutrient-dense breakfast increases concentration, lowers the chances of developing diabetes, manages cholesterol and keeps you lively. Frequently asked questions. Which foods are good for us? Today we will be talking about all the breakfast foods that guarantee a productive day. Number 1. Egg. Are the most popular and nutritional food. Eggs have been a popular choice for anyone can remember. But is it worth the hype? Definitely. Both the yolk and white parts are excellent sources of protein and heart-friendly unsaturated fats. Eggs have very good minerals and vitamins. Extremely versatile, eggs can be cooked in a variety of different ways. No matter how you make it, they are immensely filling and will keep you full till lunchtime. This cuts out the unhealthy snacking in between meals that cause weight gain. Number 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is the safest and most nutritious way to go, and it has gluten-free. It has got to be one of the top foods for breakfast. A comforting bowl of oatmeal is a powerhouse of nutrients. This relatively simple meal that can be whipped up in just a couple of minutes contains insoluble fiber that lowers cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar, making you feel fuller quickly. Antioxidants are another essential element, along with specific natural heart-protecting anti-inflammatory properties. The combination of cooked oats, with organic nut butter and fresh fruits, minus the artificial sweeteners, will keep you away from that vending machine for sure. Number 3. Salmon. As odd as it sounds, this fatty fish, when paired with some scrambled eggs and whole wheat toast, creates a delicious, filling, and a fantastic meal. Salmon is already considered a superfood for the brain because of the high omega-3 fatty acids. Being a nutrition powerhouse and packing clean protein, starting your day with salmon will help you meet everyday nutritional needs even if you eat not-so-healthy foods for the rest of the day. Having the right food choice for the first meal of the day will help you fill up on healthy nutrients and give your immune system a boost. Number 4. Spinach. Greens are always an excellent choice for breakfast. This leafy green, the crux for any healthy green juice, consists of good folate and muscle-building fiber. Spinach can decrease the chances of developing osteoporosis or heart disease, two of the most common problems most people face. Simply adding a handful of this superfood, which is healthier than kale, will make a whole world of difference in how you approach your day. Along with protecting muscle from degeneration, eating this healthy green every morning will also increase blood flow in the body. Number 5. Sweet potato. Ever thought about starting your day by eating these flavor and nutrition-packed rich foods? If not, then maybe you should start? Packed with compounds that burn fat, sweet potatoes are the perfect way of starting the day. Being low on the glycemic index, they manage to offer a certain level of fullness until lunchtime. You can also pair sweet potato hash with eggs and vegetables for a complete breakfast. Number 6. Berries. Berries win the title for being one of the healthiest breakfast foods on the planet. Blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, and others are not only rich in heart-friendly antioxidants, but adding them to your breakfast also gives you a boost of energy. These colorful, nutritious fruits contain large amounts of potent vitamins, which amp up your breakfast tenfold. Did you know that they stop fat from forming in the body? If losing weight is your goal, then an assortment of berries is what you need to start your day with. Number 7. Banana. Bananas are the unopposed superstar of potassium. However, their goodness is not limited to just that. What makes bananas awesome is the resistant starch that supports digestive health and doesn't leave you feeling bloated or lethargic. Packed with filling fiber and other valuable nutrients, tossing some diced bananas in your fruit bowl, smoothies will lift your mood, giving you an energized start to the day. Including them for breakfast also means lowering blood pressure levels that keep the heart in good shape. Number 8. Avocado. Speaking of superfood for breakfast, avocado toast topped with freshly diced tomatoes, onions, and salt pepper is enough to power you through the day. Do you know that the compounds found in avocados protect the body the same way olive oil does? Considered to be one of the most refined foods for weight loss, starting a new day with this fantastic fruit paired with an egg is an award-winning breakfast for champions. The unique avocado fats can lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease and even cancer related to unhealthy lifestyles. Number 9. Chia seeds. The chia seed is one of the healthiest seeds in the world. What makes it ideal for breakfast? The antioxidants, fiber, calcium, and other vital nutrients protect your body from the attack of toxins. Naturally packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these healthy seeds induce the feeling of fullness. Add them to your breakfast by adding them to oatmeal, smoothies, cereal, yogurt with fruit, salad, or puddings. Number 10. Black tea. Black tea is usually underrated. However, black tea is a crucial part of a complete diet and have more oxidized than other teas. Try making the switch to black tea in the morning, and it will wake you right up. Getting your caffeine fix from black tea will not just fight lethargy but will also increase mental alertness. Black tea also widely used to help prevent atherosclerosis and improve heart health. Because it's robust and intense in flavor, it may take some time for you to get used to it, but once you do, it's a great beverage that will keep you focused throughout the day. What do you eat for breakfast? Share your ideas and suggestions in the comments section.